Today we will discuss simple interest. So what is simple interest? It is based on money, right? In our daily life, all activity are regulated on money. So when we need money, we go to bank. Suppose we go to bank and we borrow rupees 100,000 from bank, right? And we take this money from bank for a specific time. Suppose we promise bank to return rupees 1,000 in 2 years, right? Then bank give us rupees 1,000 at some rate. Suppose they give us this money at rate 2%, right? So we take money from bank rupees 1,000 and this rupees 1,000 is principal. This is called principal. That money that we borrow from the bank is this money and this money is principal and this is rupees 1,000, right? Now this is your starting money and you have to return it after 2 years, right? So after 2 years, how much money we have to pay to the bank? That we will calculate by this formula. This formula is simple interest, that is equal to principal into rate into time by 100. So let us calculate the simple interest. So simple interest is equal to principal. So principal in this case is 1,000 and rate is 2% per annum and time is 2. So divided by 100. Now calculated 100, 20 will be cancelled by these and calculated simple interest is 10 into 2 into 2, that becomes 40. So means we have to pay rupees 40 extra, right, with this 1,000. Means in the end at the end of 2 years we have to pay amount and amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Means we have to pay rupees 1,000 plus 40, right? Means we borrow this money from the bank and after 2 years we have to pay rupees 1,040, right? And this 40 rupees is simple interest and the amount that we have to pay in the end is called amount, and this money is called amount, right? So let us solve question number 1. That is formula to find out simple interest remains same. That is very easy. So let us solve this sum. This sum is a sum of rupees 1,800 is lent for 2 years at 12% per annum. Find the interest. So what is given in the question? In the question, a sum of rupees. So this is principal. Principal has given in this case is 1,800 and time is always in year and that time is 2 years and 12% is rate and we have to find simple interest. So we have to apply same formula. This is your formula to find out simple interest. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. So according to question, principal in this case is rupees 1,800 and time is 2 years and rate is 12% P here is 1800 into rate. So rate is 12%. So we write here 12 into time. Time is 2 years upon divided by 100. Now cancel the terms. 20 will be cancelled by this. So simple interest is equal to rupees 18 into 12 into 2, 24. When you will multiply these, you will get your answer. Right? So let's take another example. Question number 2. Question number 2 is calculate the simple interest on rupees 5,600 for 3 years at the rate of 12% per annum. Also find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years. So in next question, question number 2, what is given in question number 2? Principal has given. This is your starting amount. So principal P is equal to rupees 5,600. And then time in this case is 3 years. Time is equal to 3 years. And rate at the rate of 12%. So rate in this case is 12% per annum. Also find the amount he pay at the end of 3 years. So in this case we have to find out amount that we have to pay after 3 years. So let us find firstly simple interest. Formula to find out simple interest is principal into rate into time by 100. So apply here. Simple interest is equal to principal in this case is rupees 5,600 and rate here is 12 and time is 3 divided by 100. Right. Now calculate it. 20 will be cancelled by these two. And now 56 into 36. So simple interest in this case is 2016. Right. So this is interest that we have to pay on this principal. Right. So if we borrow 5,600, so at the rate of 12%, we have to pay this much interest on this principal. So let us find the amount. So amount, you know the formula to find out amount. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Right. So find it. So principal in this case is rupees 5,600